So welcome back to Rock Solid Motorsports. Today we're going to take a look at this beautiful 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe. We're going to do a test drive video and then also do a walk around inspection after the test drive and show you everything about the car, the condition of the car, forward to back. But as you can see, this beautiful little coupe comes to us with a silver metallic paint with black painted on stripes. The very cool polished chrome Foose wheels. Very stock appearance on the exterior of the car, with the exception of the hood scoop and the elimination of the side trim on the rear quarters. But other than that, very stock appearance, sharp looking car. So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to get the other camera, go for a test drive. Buckle for safety. Okay, so now we're going to take a test drive in that beautiful 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe.
Yep. That 289, it fires right off every single time.
Yeah, I mean, the car doesn't present like a 12-year-old restoration, 13-year-old restoration. And the drivetrain is extremely tight.
It has been nicely upgraded. I mean, the 289's been gone through, has some performance goodies added, very tight, has no problem pulling this Mustang down the road. Nicely upgraded with that Hurst T5 World Class transmission, so it has a 5-speed instead of what would have been period correct 4-speed, so even more highway capable than a factory car would be.
Yeah, I mean, in 5th gear I don't have a tachometer, but you know, 45 miles per hour doesn't feel like it's much quicker, maybe about 15, yeah, 1700 RPMs, pretty mild.
Yeah, so very highway capable. The car's handling this turn very well.
Yeah, it's nice and tight. Suspension. Car's straight down the road.
You do get a little bit of wind noise coming in from the passenger side of the window.
I don't have any on mine.
Okay.
But yeah. The suspension, drive line, brakes, everything feels really good. I might have, about 60, I might have just a little bit of tire shimmy, but I think those tires, I don't know how old those tires are.
I don't remember.
But the interior is in excellent condition.
It is. It's a really tasteful setup too, with the black vinyl with the silver painted sort of sections that kind of match the exterior of the car. I mean, the car is just a beautiful example of it, I'll say.
Yeah.
It's not over the top. I mean, it's very subtle what they did with the car.
Very stock appearance.
It is.
You know, the interior, the Hurst shifter looks like it's in place. The nice factory center console. The factory style steering wheel. It's nice. It's a nice size. The car does not have power steering, but it's very easy to steer, even in a parking lot, because of the size of the steering wheel.
Right. drive it sportingly. It's definitely capable. It's going to sit you and the passenger back in their seats.
It's got a great sound.
It does. Yeah, the 289 is an awesome sound. I mean, the car's been put together very well. I mean, this restoration was an extremely extensive restoration. It just shows in the car.
Oh yeah, when you look at the bottom side of the car, there was a lot of chrome and polished items on the bottom side of the car when it was freshly done, and it's starting to show a little bit of age, a little bit of surface rust, but just light, superficial. But you can see the time and effort that was put into restoring this car.
Absolutely. I mean, the floor pans are excellent, and they still look excellent. I mean, you can just about put mirrors underneath this car.
So your blower motor works, radio works. It's an aftermarket, later model stereo that works. Your wipers work. We showed all the lights working, including the reverse lights. So, I mean, this car is truly a turnkey, ready to enjoy. Take it to your local cruising or car show, and it's going to turn heads. This car, getting there, it's going to turn heads. There, it's going to turn heads.
Absolutely. And the car, when it was freshly done, was showed at Goodguys, where won, I think it was actually it's right here, the Mighty Muscle Award in 2010. So that's cool.
Yeah, and there's a reason for it. I mean, it's a nice car.
Yeah, excellent example of these first generation Mustang coupes. Just
awesome curb appeal.
Yeah, if you're interested in a first gen Mustang and want one with a little bit more power, a little bit more, I guess, better drivability than a factory car, then you're definitely going to want to take a close look at this 66 Mustang.
So stay tuned for the walk around inspection video where we'll show you there's not that many flaws.
No, not at all.
And the couple minor ones this car has, you have to be right up on it. So yeah, so stay tuned, watch the walk around inspection. It's a great car. Stay tuned. Now that we're done with the test drive portion of the video, we're going to do the walk around inspection and show you any flaws that might be on the car, any kind of wear. This beautiful car, the paint overall is in excellent condition. It shines very well. Very little to no orange peel. The reflection is very clear, as you can see. But coming with the driver's side front fender down here, is it just some dirt? Yeah. The fender itself is in excellent condition. No chips or damage, no dents to speak of. So the but the Foose polished wheels, they do have a little bit of age. If you get down close, there is some pitting in the chrome. Most of it is behind the spokes, but there is some pitting wrapped in these Continental, these DWS. Yep. So they're great tire. Tyler had those on his Mustang at one point. But coming around the front of the car, the front bumper is in excellent condition, shines very well. Your headlight surrounds, the grille is in excellent condition. There might be some slight age on this Mustang emblem in the center of the grille, and maybe a little bit on the trim around the grille. Across your hood is in excellent condition. Your gapping is good, front and back. That cool hood scoop added onto the car. Passenger side of the hood is in very good condition. There is a small scuff right here, very minor. And there is a paint chip that's been touched up right there on the fender. But on all four wheels, Tyler will pan through them, but all four of them have just a small amount of pitting towards the back of the wheel. The rest of this fender is in excellent condition. Your rocker moldings are in very good condition. This passenger side rocker molding, no real age to note. Your windshield is in excellent condition. And you see the decal from when it was a pick at one of the Goodguys shows. Across the roof is in excellent condition. No damage to note. Passenger side door is in excellent condition. No dents, no chips to speak of. Your door handle, the chrome's in excellent condition. The window molding is all in very good condition, but there is some slight age. It was probably original when the car was restored. It looks like it was at least polished, so it still presents well. Coming into the interior, you'll see the upgraded vinyl. This passenger side door, very clean. The factory seam is nice and crisp. Door panel is in excellent condition.
Transmission plate's nice and straight, no dents or dings. Carpet's in excellent condition. All the interior's in very good condition. Dash pad was obviously replaced at one point. Looks brand new. Passenger seat is in excellent condition with no wear to note. It's a nice center console. Looks like the center console could have been original. There's some light age to it, but very minimal. Coming to the back, your rear carpet's in excellent condition. All of your painted surfaces are nice and clean. Rear seat's in excellent condition with a little wear to note. The headliner is in excellent condition as well.
Coming back outside the car, and of course this glass is in very good condition. Now your rear glass does have some light scratching, but it's clear, very easy to see through. Your driver's side rear quarter is in excellent condition. Looking for any damage. Looks like there might be a couple real minor chips. Coming across your deck lid and rear valance.
And there's just a hint of metallic in that black too. You get a couple sparkles out of it.
And it's nice, they are painted on. Coming across the rear, your rear bumper's in very good condition. The rear tail light bezels do have a little bit of slight age in the chrome, but they present very well. Both the extensions on the bumper shows a little bit of age, and your reverse lights, but still present very well. Coming into the trunk, comes with a little plaque talking about the restoration, but the trunk has been finished with this nice trunk carpeting. Very nice if you're planning on taking the car to car shows. There is some very light surface rust right there, coming through one of the weep holes, maybe on the other corner as well. But the driver's side of the rear of the car is in just as good a condition as the passenger side. Nothing to note, no damage. There is a paint chip that's been touched up on the very top edge of that quarter. Coming down low, just like the other quarter, there's no bubbling to speak of, no dents. Driver's side of the roof's in excellent condition. And the rear molding around the rear windshield, I didn't speak of that. It's very clean. Definitely was either replaced or polished during the restoration. And then the rest of this quarter is in excellent condition. No damage to note. No real wear to know. You come on the driver's door.
A few little scratches.
Yeah, probably from opening the car. Down low, this rocker molding does have a few more scratches than the passenger side, and then the one ding probably picked something up from the road. Opening the door. And the driver's door is just as clean as the passenger door. The rear factory seam is nice and crisp. Interior, the driver's side, as Tyler's going to show you, is just as nice as the passenger side.
There are some scuffs, probably from shoes. It's on the front edge of the door. Your door sills are nice and clean. The driver's seat's in excellent condition again. No real wear to note. Driver's side carpet's in excellent condition. These nice aftermarket gauges. Steering wheel is in excellent condition. There's some light age around the horn button, a couple little scratches in the spokes. Again, your rear carpet's in excellent condition. Rear seat's in excellent condition.
Now we'll go underneath the hood. And you'll see the power plant, the little Ford 283 or 289, 289, and it's been reported to us that it's been bored 30 over, backed by that World Class T5 transmission. Makes it a great little setup. So I'm going to fire it up and then show you some lights working.
Headlights, brights, driver's side turn signal, passenger side turn signal. Signal, direction signal, backup lights.
So if you're in the market for a very nice muscle car, Mustang, you want the classic manual shifting, definitely want to check out this Mustang. It's worth the second look. Rock Solid Motorsports.